Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Ford Ranger transmission easy guide. Begin by supporting the vehicle safely, disconnecting the battery, and draining transmission fluid into a proper container. Remove the drive shaft and mark components for reassembly. Unbolt the exhaust or heat shields if they obstruct access. Keep fasteners organized and label wiring harnesses. Work methodically and check manuals for torque specs as you progress to the transmission drop. Support the transmission with a jack and wood block to avoid damaging the pan. Remove linkage, wiring, cooler lines, and starter in an organized order. Unbolt cross members and transmission mount nuts while watching alignment. Back out bell housing bolts gradually, checking that no hoses or wires remain attached. Lower the transmission slightly to access remaining fasteners, then transfer it to a transmission jack for safe removal and inspection on a bench. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tips. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for comfortable, durable socks with a lifetime warranty to keep you focused during long jobs. I keep a pair in my toolbox for garage work and cold mornings. Check the description for the Darn Tough link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once the bell housing is free, ease the transmission down carefully using the jack. Watch for the torque converter separating and support it to avoid bending the input shaft. Keep an assistant steadying the transmission as you lower it clear of the engine. Move the unit to a prepared work area, plug open lines, and clean mating surfaces. Inspect mounts, sensors, and the torque converter for wear before beginning rebuild or replacement work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.